Hello everyone, welcome to the nexthelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Zenario on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Zenario is a content management system which enables you to build websites and powerful online applications. It is designed especially for the users who wants to grow with their site. The basic requirements before starting with your installation is to have LAMP stack, that is Apache Web Server, MariaDB and PHP. While installing MariaDB, create a database for your Zenario CMS. User protected by password. Now switch to your terminal. First, download the latest stable version of your Zenario CMS package in any archive format. With the help of wget command. After downloading it, extract it. And move your extracted package towards your Apache document root location. Next, move inside your Apache document root location. Next, provide appropriate owner permission and file execution permission for your Apache document root, followed by the subdirectory. Now configure your virtual host. For your Zenario CMS. Enter your configuration inside this. Save the changes and restart your Apache service. Next, open your firewall configuration file. And check whether your firewall configurations extensions was added with your Apache service. Now restart your firewall service. Now switch to your browser and enter your machine's IP address or your fully qualified domain name. Followed by your CMS directory. As per your convenience, you can even rename your CMS directory. Followed by the name of your directory. You will get prompted towards the welcome page. Click begin installation to start with your installation process. Enter your license agreement here and click fresh install. Provide your database credentials here. My database name is Zenario. Database user is root user, followed by its password. And click next. Select your website language, followed by the date format in short, medium and long. And select the skin of your site and click next. Create your admin account. And click next. Copy this configuration file and add it in the following location. For that, open your terminal and copy this inside this file. Save the changes. Now move back to your browser. Click I have done it myself. Look for your system requirements and click continue. And after this, it will prompt you like, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zenario. To move inside your Zenario, click on this link. This is how your home page looks like. You can start adding or customizing your website. Go to this user in order to create a new user account inside your site. In order to create a new user, click on this create a user or contact. And thus you have seen how to install Zenario CMS on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.